Alright, well hello again YouTube, AJ Shaver here, and I'm going to try and get some working video. Just got a phone call from a customer that wants two of the bags, 2/3 of a cord delivered, so we're going to flip these out into the mason dump down on the end. But before I do that, I try to be true to the channel and show you the good and the bad. Like I've said before, these log lift bags, we're seeing right about 3, maybe 4 seasons worth of use out of them. I have this one and like the number 4 bag down. It's got some rips in it, so I just wanted to show you that, just trying to keep all things balanced. You know, I went back on the channel. I was looking for when we did the bag story time video the other day. I was going back through the different videos to find, you know, which colors came from which year, and this really is a 2019 bag. So it's 2023, so we're at 4 years with it. So just want to show you how they've held up with time. It's not really a matter of how the bag broke down, but just the fact that it's 4 years old and it's still holding firewood. We're going to flip it into you know, the back of the trailer and then call it done. But let me grab the camera, I'll show you just what I'm talking about, and we'll take it from there. All right, so I didn't realize this one had ripped, but like I said, it's a 4-year-old bag. We're gonna get off the rack. I'll show you that, and then we'll flip it into the back of the trailer. There's another tear down here by the unloading loop. These green ones with the green logo are a 2020 bag. So these two, this one goes back to 2019. And again, not anything crazy, but just showing some wear up here, just the way the one came into it. But everything else looks pretty good, you know, on that one. And this one's also a 2019. I thought I had a tear on this, maybe it was just that other bag that I saw, but maybe the unloading loop had a little, yeah, the string's coming out there from flipping it. But again, 4-year-old bag. So how long do your totes last? I don't know. I can't really say that I've ever seen a tote around for 4 years, but you know, the 3-year-old ones are still looking pretty good. Just got a little wear and tear there on the 4-year-old bag. So let's get that off and get it dumped down there. right, so even being ripped and compromised, we were still able to load the truck without touching the firewood. Nothing really fell apart. Nothing blew out the sides while we were going up or while we were dumping, but just wanted to show you what we had going on. We do have another one here for our 2/3 of a cord load going out. So it's got that one up and in and go from there. All right, so this is the second one. There's that rip down by the unloading strap. Again, we take the unloading straps, go around the pallet. That way the bag stays attached to the pallet. The chain keeps the pallet attached to the forks, and it all goes up and in from there. All right, well, as you can see, even with a rip, it's still very strong, just because this whole piece comes all the way up into about here, and then the unloading or the carry strap from the top goes all the way down, hits that, and then comes back. So it's all one piece. So even if it does rip, there's still integrity left inside the bag itself. So like I said earlier, staying true to the nature of the channel, good, bad, or indifferent, always try to show it. So again, a 4-year-old bag, actually 2 4-year-old bags, even if they've been flipped 3 to 4 times a season, I think I've gotten my money back out of it again. So we'll just call this one a wrap. We're going to call the customer, go get this delivered. But again, just trying to show, you know, just the day-to-day stuff here around the wood yard and how we do it. So this was a 2/3 of a cord, you know, order going right here locally in Dallas. So, you know, get this delivered. If we can earn your business with the sales truck, if we can earn your business with the sales quote, please give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. All of our bags are available over on the website, shaverequipment.com. Just click on firewood equipment. The bags pop up. Click on the bag. Read down through everything. At the very bottom, there's the order quantity. The sample order at 12. Then we go to 48, 120, and a full pallet. The full pallet does ship for free. All the pricing on there includes the credit card fee and shipping on the smaller orders. So go ahead and check that out. We hope to hear from you soon. Again, the bags are a key part here that allow us to work hard to be lazy, and hope that you find the videos here, you know, intriguing at best, maybe even spur you on to purchase something. So appreciate the business in advance. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.